There's a bird. There is an egg in that bird nest. But there's not a bird. I think the cat killed the mama bird. It's weird, it has these like little... Oh wait, let me see if I can find one. It has like these like... ribbon leaves. But there is a little egg in there. And I think our cat, my mom's cat killed the mom that laid it. There is a little egg in there. I was telling my mom about it. That a bird might come and lay an egg in it, and sure enough, something did. If that's a real egg, I mean, is that a real egg? That's gotta be a real egg. I don't know. Or somebody's joshing with me.